Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Nimbus in BONELAB. Firstly, you must finish the main storyline before you can access the Nimbus Gun. After completing the story, you'll be returned to the hub area where all the sandbox levels and game modes are accessible. Look for the big sandbox chamber in the hub, then go to it. Inside the sandbox chamber, there's a large bucket. It looks like a giant trash can or container. Now peer inside the bucket. The Nimbus gun is hidden there. Simply grab it and it will be added to your inventory as a gadget. To use it, hold it like any weapon in either hand and aim and press the trigger or fly to the direction you're pointing. Press B or Y to activate no clip mode. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.